Yo, fitted some new headlights on the Transporter last week. TransporterHQ all black V3s. So, I'm gonna show you them.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Pardon me. That's the end of it. No, it's not. Talking shit. What do you think? They're supposedly the all black ones are limited edition, but they've got more stock arriving. There's 5 torque screws underneath, and you've got 3 on the forward edge of the wheel arch liner. There's 4 trim clips on the top, 3 trim clips on the top, and one of them's the battery. There's like almost like a big positive battery sort of cover plug thing. Take that off, and then just disconnect your fog lights, and the bumper will pull off. There's not much holding them on. Seems odd, but that's what it is. You should be able to work it out. I'll put this in after I show the time lapse of me removing the fittings. And if I've forgotten anything, I'll add some text. But like I said, it's dark, so I'll get a I'll tell you what I'll do. When I start the van up, I'll record, put the headlights on, so you can see just how bright they are in the pitch black. There's no lights on up here. It's completely dark. I don't know what keys are. It's completely dark. It's 9:15 in the middle of Gloucestershire. Are you ready? That's the headlights. That's the DRLs.
Recording.
Headlights. That's side lights, but the DRLs get brighter. And then high beam. See what I mean? You don't really need them. The camera makes it look a lot brighter than it actually is, but you get the idea. I would put the high beams on now. Well, they do help, but they're not a necessity, if you know what I mean. They're working on a high beam LED for the high beams as well. I think I saw one post somewhere like that. So we'll get those and get a black grille and a splitter, and that'll be the front of the van done for the short term. Maybe T6.1 in the future. Who knows? Just spent 600 quid on bloody headlights though, so it won't be soon. It's about 2.5 grand to do that plus paint. So yeah, that won't be anytime soon. But I must shoot, because I'm in the middle of an R32 video. That is Crep Check Dead 97 Ultras again. That is a hub off the R32. I've just cleaned it up, and I'm going to continue that one now. I'll edit the Transporter one tonight, get it out for Tuesday or Wednesday, and then get the R32 one out. And then we'll get another video on the Transporter, because I've just ordered a new steering wheel, so I'll do I suppose like a little how-to on removing your airbag, removing your wheel and putting it in the right position, whatever. Well, that's it. Thank you again for watching. We're up to, last time I checked, 68 subscribers. So slowly getting there, but it is getting there, and I'm thankful, grateful to everybody that is watching. I think the R32's the deal clencher at the moment. We seem to have the most views on that. I hope the Transporter might get us a few more, but anyway, I'm talking rubbish again. I'll see you next time. Safe.